Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about 3DOS network airdrop. We will teach you how to join this airdrop, how to install and run the extension, how to activate the mining, and how to complete tasks in order to get extra points. So if you are really interested, please keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, welcome to our YouTube channel where we teach you how to make money online for free. So if you are ready, let's get started. Hello and welcome back. If you want to join this airdrop, I will leave the link down below in the description box. So copy that link and then open your Mises browser and paste the link in the search bar. Then you will land on this page. But to make the process a little bit easier, click on the three dots on the top right corner. Scroll down a little bit and turn on desktop site mode. If we zoom in a little bit, you can sign up with your Google account, Twitch account, or you can type in your email address, your password, and the referral code should be like this. If you didn't find it in this box, I'll leave the same referral code down below in the description box. So copy it and paste it here. And when you finish, click on I agree and then click on register. Next, they will redirect you to this page, and here type in the same email address that you have just used to sign up and the password and click on login. Then you will land on the dashboard page, and if we zoom in a little bit, on top of the screen in the blue, they will ask you to verify your email. So click on verify email. They will send you a link to your email address. Copy that link and paste it here into Mises browser to complete verifying your email process. Then refresh the page. They will show you this message to claim your daily reward. So click on claim reward. You should log into your account every 24 hours to claim this reward. And if we zoom in a little bit, there is a big white button which is Generate API Key. Click on it. And they will show you this API code. I will show you where to use this code in just a few seconds, but for now click on copy on the right side. Next, we need to activate the mining process, and to do that, there is a button on the top right corner which is download extension. Click on it. And they will redirect you to this page. Click on the blue button on the top right corner to add this extension to your browser. Click on OK. When you finish, click on the extension icon on top of the screen. And as you can see, we have successfully installed the extension. Now click on this extension and then click on register. And remember the API code that I showed you before. Copy that code and paste it here. And click on apply. Now we have successfully activated the mining process. Now let's go back to the dashboard, and on the left side there's a section called Earn More Points. Click on it and you will land on this page. Again, don't forget to turn on the desktop site mode because it's very important to be able to complete these tasks. Now click on the last task, which is Earn Now. And you will be directed to this page. If we scroll down, you will see a lot of tasks that you can complete to get extra points. Just try to complete as many tasks as you can. Now let me show you how to complete one of these tasks. Just zoom in a little bit and click on follow. Then they will show you this page, and just when you register for the first time, they will ask you to connect your social media accounts to be able to complete the tasks. Also, you need to connect one of these wallets. I recommend you to use MetaMask. And when you finish, click on I agree button. Let me show you how to connect my X account. Then they will ask you to log in into your X account. And when you are done, click on Authorize App. Now just wait a few seconds and they will redirect you to the Earn page. And after you successfully connected your X account, click again on follow and follow their account on X platform. Now let's go back and click on verify and claim button. And you can do the exact same for other tasks. But again, you need to connect your social media account before being able to complete these tasks. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about this project. Don't forget to log in daily into your account to claim daily reward. Also, if you have any question, leave a comment down below. See you later guys. Good luck.